What is up, weekenders? We made out here to United by Bronco at Sand Hollow State Park. Now, if you don't know what United by Bronco is, pretty much it's like a paid guided trail event out here at Sand Hollow. Basically allows you to ride with the pros, the vendors, and other cool Bronco people and just have a good time. So today is Friday, and I signed up for Razzle Dazzle, which they say is one of the easier trails for today. I think they're calling it a 4 or 5 rated trail, but we'll see once we get out there. But everyone is airing down, getting ready to line up in their respective lines because there's multiple trails going on today. But I'm excited. Let's do this. good, you're clear.
Hard pass. Hard pass. You're looking good. Just be ready to use the skinny pedal. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Straighten her out. Straighten her out. Straighten it out. Here we go. Straighten it out. Little more driver. Little more driver. Little more driver. All right, you're there.
Nice job, Walt.
Thank you. There you go. A little bit more. Perfect.
And all right, we are back here at the same spot that we aired down at, and that pretty much does it for Razzle Dazzle. Pretty good trail. I definitely would call it a 4 with maybe a couple little 5 obstacles. We started at 8 and it's 1:30 now. So the trail took quite a while. With a smaller group, I don't think it'll actually take that long. We probably had, I don't even know, 30 Broncos just in our group alone. So it took a little while, but still had a blast. So right now I think we're gonna go get some pizza because we're all starving, and then we're actually gonna come back here because they're gonna run the Chute later this afternoon. So hopefully I'll get some good footage for that for you guys, but until then, let's go get some food.
I'm guessing repairs. Yep.
So behind me is the Chute. If you don't know what the Chute is, that's exactly what it sounds like. It's basically a rock formation that creates this chute-like shape that you can drive your Bronco up through. So we're gonna go ahead and watch some Broncos do that and see if we can't see anything fun.
Here comes a pink Bronco. Nice. Right line. Just stay straight right there. And just give it a little bump right now. There you go. You got it. No problem. Perfect. Tiny driver. Probably have to give a little bump right now.
Passenger.
Passenger.
Keep driver, bud.
All right, folks, here we go.
Let's go, brother.
This is scary shit.
You're gonna make me have to do this, ain't you? Passenger.
Well, they asked me to, so I was like, what the hell, I'll do it again.
Looking good. A little bit more your way. There you go, right there. You got it. You're right on the line. Good? That's good? Turn a little bit that way. There you go, right there. Got it. Good, you're good.
It's an art form.
Yeah. Well, I told you to launch it. I guess you finally.
All right, that's a wrap for the shoot, but well, we still got a little bit of sunlight. Some of us are gonna head over to the dunes and have a little fun. So let's see what we can do with that. Holy crap! This guy's a madman. Guys, that is a wrap for United by Bronco for me. We were out there doing a couple of jumps, and one of the guys blew a B, but we were able to set that back in, no issue. But hey, I had a ton of fun today, and I hope you guys did too. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll check you at the next waypoint.